guys, today I'm here to show you this mystery box that NeeDohs sent us. And they sent this shirt too. Look, it's so cool. And I'm gonna do a review in all the new NeeDoh items in here. So let's see what we have. So look, there's lots of stuff in here. And let's see, let's open all of them. This one is the crystal NeeDoh. Look, it looks really cool. Let's open it. Inside it has little foil paper, and it's so cool when you squeeze it. Next one is this one, but before I open it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bells. And go follow us in Instagram and TikTok. It's the same name as the channel, and it's gonna be here in the screen. So let's open this one. It's a little cat. It's really soft. Now I'm gonna get this fruit thing. And before I show you guys these ones, go follow NeeDoh on Instagram because they post everything there and it's really fun. So let's show you guys this one. This is the strawberry. It's really good. The orange. And the banana.
From these three, my favorite is the strawberry. Which one is yours?
This one is my favorite, the banana.
Okay, go to the next one.
Now let's get one. This one is the color changing. It's yellow now, and let's see what color it's gonna go. Ooh, it's orange. I really like the color. Look.
It looks very pretty.
So far, this one is my favorite because it changes color and it's really soft. So let's go to the next one. This one is the glow in the dark, and we're gonna see if it actually glows in the dark.
Open it first. Let's see how it looks like that, and then we go to the dark.
Oh, look. It has a different texture, but it's all white. And let's put it in the light and see if it glows.
If you guys put the stress ball in the direction of a light like this, it's gonna glow more in the dark, so that's why we're doing it. You can also put it next or like pointing to those lights before going to the dark. As you guys can see, we're not even in the dark and it's already glowing. But let's go to like somewhere very dark.
It really glows. Look at this. It's so good. So as you guys saw, it really glows and it's really good. And I really recommend buying one of these because it's really fun. Next one, I'm gonna get this one. It looks really cool. So let's open it. There are 3 little balls, and I can feel that they're different. So I think...
Yeah, they're like harder, right?
Yeah, this one.
It looks like a Play-Doh
And
inside. Yeah.
see, this one is harder.
Yes, this one is the second harder. And this one's the softest.
Yes. It's really fun to squeeze, and they're little, so you can bring them anywhere. I like this one. Next one, I'm gonna get this one. It really caught my eyes. So let's see. It's the swirl one. And ooh, look. Can you see in the camera? Look, it's really pretty. It's pink and orange. And inside it's white. Ooh, that's really cool. And it's really soft. I like this one. I like the pattern, it's really soft.
I bought it closer to the light so you guys could see better. Look at this. It looks so pretty. Like all the little lines here of different colors.
Now I'm gonna get the noodlies. See, look, they're really pretty. And they look really good because I love the colors. They're like pastel colors. And there's a variety. And there's a variety of colors. Look, the blue one. Ooh, they're really stretchy. And they're soft. The orange, green.
Calma, tô filmando a mesa. Fala o green de novo.
Green, yellow, and pink. They're really good to squeeze like this and to stretch. Next one is gonna be the original. Look, this is the original stress ball, and it's blue, and I love blue. So let's see if it's gonna be good. Ooh.
How can it not be good?
Yeah, it's
Look
really
at this,
good.
guys. So soft. Like everything here is so soft and so different. I love this. Look. It's so fun to play with.
This one's really good. Now, the biggest one that we've ever had, it's the super size stress ball. And let's see if it is as good as it looks. Whoa, look.
It has a different texture, but it's still like very good.
Yeah.
You can't play it with one hand though, right?
No, you have to use two hands, and it's really fun. Look.
Can you stretch it?
Yeah. Stretches a lot, actually. And it's really soft.
It looks good.
Look at the difference.
It's with this one too. Here. Oh my god. This one is huge. Put it on the table. Like, leave it there. Put this one in here. Look at the size difference. This one is like 3 times this one. And then like this one is so small.
Which one of all of these fidget toys was your favorite? And write it down below in the comments. What was your favorite and which one would you buy? That was the video. I really hope you liked it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye!